Guys, in today's video I'm teaching you how to change the battery for your AirTag. It's actually extremely easy. I'm going to show you which battery you guys will need. So this is the original one that I took off another AirTag, so you guys can see it's Duracell 2032 3V. Alright, it doesn't mean that you guys can't buy another brand, but if you guys want to buy the exact same one, it's going to be Duracell. That's what you guys can buy. I bought these because that's what I could find. That's the only reason I bought these, but it's an okay brand. Anyways, we're gonna open this up. All you guys have to do is just press down on it and then just go like this. So what you guys have to do is just press down on it and then go to the side, and then you guys will see that it just opens up. So there we go. So again, this is the original one. That's how you guys can open this. That's how it looks like from the inside. All right, and then you guys just take it out and then put the other one in. So here we go. Here's the Energizer one that I got, and you're gonna place it the exact same way that you took out the other one. To lock it in, you guys will see these little guys. Just have to align these. Once you align them, you're gonna hear that sound, and then just go clockwise, and you're done. As long as you guys heard a sound, it means that you've actually exchanged them for good batteries. I've heard a lot of people changing the batteries and they're saying, oh, it doesn't work. Most likely, it's just the batteries that you guys put in. They're no longer good. So just make sure to get some brand new batteries and you guys should be fine. But as far as this video goes, we're all done. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write them in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.